So we are gonna be installing my shift knob in my Jetta. Cause you know how new short shifter, this shit broke off. So we're gonna take, this is my Cabrio, we're gonna take a cold start of it. Clutch is gone in it. Let's see how she sounds. Oh yeah. This thing roars, dude. It's on cut springs. You know how it is. When I got it towed, they literally ripped the side of my bumper out. And since it has no clutch, it used to be my daily. It's gonna be my winter daily. That can be fixed. Dumb tow truck drivers did this too. Yeah, this thing, I put these rims on it, the thing's nice and stance.
Sounds so mean.
Fucking man. Dude, rev it. Rev it. Yeah. Alright, so let's look at this. New eBay short shifter. Let's check it out. The tools are here. So, yeah, this thing's pretty sick. Camera down for a second. I'm gonna box this thing. Oh shit. Oh, that just came right off the rod. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah. Looks like a block. Oh, that's me right in there. Nice short shifter. What?
Quiet now.
Yeah, because it warmed up.
Thing's loud as a boat.
Thing's a boat?
Thing's a boat.
Yo, let's go check out your Civic.
My Civic?
So this kid,
I'm not dressed for this shit.
14 years old, has his own Honda Civic hatchback, 1989, no rust.
Shouldn't I be telling him this?
Yeah, go ahead. Explain your car.
So it's a 1989 Honda Civic hatchback. There she is right there. I just painted her like 2 weeks ago. This color right here. She's not low yet.
She's raked.
She's raked, but she's not low yet.
It's pretty low in the front.
She's not low yet. Like I said, she's not low yet. I got a JDM as fuck.
That was the old color.
Oh yeah, yeah, right there, red. Well, I'll show you pictures of it after, and then I got a
Oh yeah, I was gonna show you guys some pictures. Just look them up on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
Instagram, nick.vb.
No, not your car Instagram.
Oh,
Hondivic Hatch.
Yeah, Hondivic Hatch.
89.
89, yeah. And then so I got the JDM sticker bomb dash.
Just take a look in the inside.
Oh. Alright.
Oh, the alarm's going off, but I unplugged it because that thing's annoying.
Yeah, so we got the fucking Ricer ass steering wheel.
The Ricer panoramic mirror.
Oh yeah, everything in this car is Ricer. You gotta keep it Ricer with the Civics. And yeah.
Pedals.
We'll get an outside view of it right here. See, that's the original color. See, I didn't really give a shit.
The seats all match the original color and everything.
Yep, but
shout out to Clipper Stein.
We're gonna pull out the well, I am actually. I'm gonna pull out the back seats, take these bad boys out, maybe make a couch in my room for it with the back seats and shit. And then I'm gonna put in some bucket seats. And then my favorite part is the Ricer mirror for some reason.
Panoramic.
Oh, no, I know what it is, but just saying.
Oh yeah, things pretty sick.
I'll pop the hatch on this bitch.
Oh, you're gonna pop it? Do this thing.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! It all fell. That usually is up there.
Yeah, this isn't like that. I put some blinds in too.
Scooter gang to match the car. Yeah.
whatever. I got my, oh. I want to keep that camera in like that. Then we got scooter, bumps. Put the blinds down when you're having sex. Oh.
Not meant. You
Not-
just broke your blinds.
Just broke the blinds.
You just broke the blinds. Alright, that's enough, dude.
Alright, yeah.
You gotta keep breaking your car.
Alright, whatever.
You just broke the blinds. Oh, your scooter's in the way. Yeah, that's meant.
Alright, so that's the 89. Still going off. I'm not dressed for this shit, so I don't know why I'm fucking. So, there's Nick. Is that?
Asian Nick. Yeah. What's up? My favorite Asian racer. Alright guys, so we got the shifter done. So we actually got the linkage back up and everything. You know, the boot looks nice. Nice short throw shifter on it. But I ordered another shift knob so this one doesn't break this one, because last time the weight of this one just broke the other one. But we're gonna go to Matt's house. We're gonna see what's up with him, and we might go grab some pizza. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But anyways, pick the video back up when we get to Matt's house. Alright guys, so we just picked up Matt. I forgot to start the video.
What's up, guys?
At his house. So we're gonna, instead of the pizza place, we're gonna go grab some Wendy's because I'm cheap. So that's how that works. But yeah, the shift is holding up pretty mint. Shit's dope. Meet you back at the Wendy's. Alright, so we're in Wendy's right now. So I got a season pass to free Frosties, dude. Anytime I want, just free for. Oh shit, the flash is on.
Should I get another one?
Can you?
Yeah.
I want one.
They're free, Troy.
No, like, are they unlimited though?
I think it's limited to one.
Yeah, I feel like it's unlimited to one per meal thing.
Troy.
Does it say
You
unlimited
didn't
on
order
it?
your own meal. You realize that, right?
Do it. Do it again.
Oh god.
Season pass, boys.
Holy shit. So Matt's gonna go for another Frosty. Oh god, he's got my season pass. I paid $2 for the season pass, man.
Brett's phone.
Oh my.
It's got the longest password
No. No.
of his. Matt, get two of them.
Oh no.
I want one.
Oh shit. This is embarrassing. He's yelling. Oh my god.
You fuck.
They're small cups, but I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty big. The flash is on again.
Should I rest for another one?
No, don't.
Go
Let's
after
just
it.
get like
You're
5.
abusing my pass.
Let's just get like 5 of them
Alright, so
going on
if you
over
guys
here.
want a season pass, you just gotta
Always
donate
fries,
$2
not
when
chicken.
Always fries.
they ask you. That's meant. You just get free Frosty for life. Not for life, for the year.
Only kitty stuff, but it's worth it.
I mean,
Yeah.
that was
Pretty
dope.
sick, guy.
Oh yeah.
We lit. 3 Snapchats, boys.
You know Nick gets like 30, like random, like dude, like in a span of 2 minutes, he has 30 snaps. Kid's insane.
Savage right there. See that?
Kid's a fag.
Another faggot, you know what I mean?
Who, McGowan?
He's smoking with a bunch of kids. Right now.
McGowan?
Yeah, he's so
He's
stupid.
smoking with a bunch of kids. Why is his shirt off?
I don't know.
Fudge back on that shit.
I'm currently round three. What am I saying? You're right.
I got a
round
red
3.
cup.
Mine's empty.
Hey, Rick up.
Oh my god! I can't even look. I can't even.
Can't even look.
I'm not even
Dude,
looking.
I'm just like you.
I want another.
Guy, you should be the one who's talking.
What do you mean?
Like, I could be filming, but you talking.
No way.
I'm
no
kinda
way.
curious.
No way. No.
How many
way.
can you get?
How many can you get at one time?
Give me.
No, I'm reading. Never mind. I'm not reading.
I'll read it. 1 free Frosty per transaction.
What you do is you have one guy, right?
One guy every time.
Front of the line.
That's pretty funny.
Next guy goes, you pass it on.
That's sick. Yep, but anyways, the free frost season pass works. It's fucking mint. Alright guys, so we just finished Wendy's and shit's mint. Got my season pass, I'm happy. The cab key. Yeah. So we're gonna drop these guys off and you know, nothing special after that, so we'll see you guys in the next one.
Maybe?
Oh, we'll do a little blow